Yeah, I want to welcome you once more again to Agri Empower, and this time I will be talking about sheep and goat farming. Just the production level I will talk about today for time constraint. Some people have been saying I've been so much gross with uh, crops. Not really. In fact, the pilot stage of this project started with poultry, which is livestock. I am actively involved in fish farming and well equipped in all chain and other products as well. Agri Empower is a smart farming platform uh, with e-learning to actually help you. We are still working on some things that will make it easier for you when it's fully launched. But meanwhile, those of you that are into sheep and goat farming, these are some foundational knowledge that you need to know, and those who are interested to. These are facts that we need to know. More so, if this video meet your need, please subscribe, and then you have more of this on daily basis. And also, we are running a boot camp right now. You can call and then subscribe. So I will encourage you to make it. So sheep and goat farming, I will give you the comprehensive guide using 4 dimension of Agri Empower framework. And for 4 dimension it is even 5 dimension. Production and biosecurity, post-harvest, the processing, and and marketing, agribusiness and marketing. But let me just give you overview. Sheep and goat farming is a fast-growing, low-entry livestock enterprise suitable for smallholders, suitable for youth, suitable for women and commercial farmers. Why? They adapt well to diverse climate, require moderate capital, not much, reproduce quickly, and serve as meat, milk, skin, manure, and breeding market. When managed properly, returns are fast and sustainable. Let's look at the production properly now, in which I want you to take note. We will talk about breed selection and the type. Choose breed based on purpose. Is it for meat or for milk? That is also climate oriented or acclimatizing and market demand. Goat breeds, I will measure them. We have Boa. This is fast growth and is for meat. We have Kalahari Red. Kalahari Red. This is hardy, meat. Then we have Sahelia. This is heat tolerant. Now we have West Africa Dwarf, which is disease resistant, smallholder friendly. Then let's look at sheep breed. Then Uda, which is meat, is found mostly in the northern region. Then Balami, large frame meat. Yakasa, adaptable, popular. So West Africa dwarf, hardy and humid. Now let's look at we haven't seen the breed of which you can take in based on what you are expecting. Now let's look at the farm site, housing and equipment. The place must be well drained land, away from flood zones, good road access for feed and marketing. Let's look at the housing. well-ventilated pen with adequate light, raised wooden, not down to the earth, or concrete floor, especially for goat. Separate unit for kid or lamb. Now, pregnant female, separate, give them different place. Then fattening maize, the one you are fattening, give them different place. Then strong fencing against theft and predators. Now let's look at breeding and reproduction. Breeding and reproduction. So mating, one buck or ram, that is 20 to 30 female. One buck or ram, the ratio is one buck or ram to 20 to 30 females. So gestations, goat gestation is 150 days. Sheep gestation is 147 days. So pregnancy and birth management. Pregnancy and birth management. Then look, supplement pregnant female. Isolate during kidding or lapping. Ensure colostrum intake within first 24 hours. Let's look at having seen the way you manage the both kind and then the breeding. You have seen how it may breed, the gestation period for either sheep or goat, just a little difference. Then let's look at the feeding and nutrition. You can use forage, you can use natural grasses, you can use legumes, that is alfalfa or clover. You can use tree leaf. You can use concentrate. You can use maize. You can use wheat bran. You can use soya meal. You can use groundnut cake. You can use supplement. You can use mineral nick. You can use salt block. You can use water. You can use clean water available at all times. Ensure that growth, weaning, and fattening. Wean kid lambs at 2 to 3 months. At 2 to 3 months. Then introduce solid feed gradually. Separate male for fattening if there is male when they are put to bed. Then target weight. Target weight for goat is 25 to 40 kg within 6 to 12 months. Sheep is 30 to 50 kg within the same period. So this is the production stage. We'll talk next of the next when we meet again. Remember to subscribe for more of this. We have it in all dimensions of whatever. And if you're interested in one line of things to know, you can always write Agri Empower for the Century at gmail.com. You call 080 26 27 9249. You will definitely be attended to. Thank you. To see you again.